Okay, this is my new computer. It just came in the mail, and it's a Samsung 108 laptop. I don't know. There we go. It has the hard drive is 500 gigabytes, and I don't know why you're laughing. So excited. Why is it seems like the box is lighter than that. Here. So here is the box of the computer. Let's open it. Waiting so long. Really?
Careful.
Yeah. Ah. Oh. What?
I'm sorry.
Is it the position I'm
I'm
in?
sorry. I couldn't hold that laughing.
It's okay. It's okay.
I'm looking at Felicia. I'm looking at Ruffy, and they're holding it back too.
Oh, here it is.
Wow.
Yeah.
Amazing.
Yeah.
Where is it?
It's in here. This is obviously the battery and the power block and charger. And then they finally got this computer. Yay. Oh my god. Hurry and get that off.
And who paid for this computer?
I did. We should only paid like $8. Oh, it's cold. Oh yeah, I wanted it in a darker color.
You know you have to charge the battery full.
Yeah, but I want to open it and look at it.
Some people say you
Oh,
have
it's
to.
really nice.
Some people say you have to
Look at
use it.
this. Look at it.
Está bonito, wow.
I might keep this plastic on because I want it to scratch. Was it just a fart? Or was it
No, that's the chair.
Okay.
Why would you even say that?
I don't know. Okay, so that's it. You could stop.
Extreme close-up.